Nissan Ultima. I was just watching a bunch of videos on YouTube, just seeing how other people did it. To me, I don't want to be sitting on the ground, having antifreeze run in my face and oil and everything. To me, this is nothing to take out but a few minutes. It took me 20 minutes, I had that out. Now I'm just wide open in here. The axle's in pretty rough shape. That's gonna come out next with the two 12s, 12 there and 12 there. It's just gonna slide out. You don't have to go through all this, but this thing was leaking so bad. I mean, there's oil all over the place. I mean, you can't lay under the car without oil just dripping in your face. I don't wanna work like that today. So, you take out those few bolts right there. See that little sensor? That sensor unclips. Then I'll be able to move that thing around freely. And I have a tool. It's an extended wire, has a little clamp on it. I squeeze it, it squeezes the clamps. I can pull them off, no problem. Then we can go over here to the little rebuild kit. I shouldn't say rebuild. That's rebuilding something. This is just replacing seals, really. It's the oil cooler for it. This little flat gasket goes against the engine. Have to make sure the grooves are inward. Then you got the rubber gasket that goes between the faceplate and all, where the oil travels through. And problem be solved. And I probably have it done within hour and a half, maybe. All right, YouTube, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, we'll hit you up some more of those videos with the SRT.